Hello everyone, my name is Sutra Goswami and this video is for the summary of lesson number 220 and the name of the lesson is Hum Saath Saath Hain Closure. The objective of the lesson is that facilitator announces the winners and winning groups share their experiences. For the first step, you are going to welcome the students and ask them to share their journey of punctuality through the Hum Saath Saath Hain activity. And you will ask them to share the answers of the questions. The questions are: what excited them about this activity, what challenges did they face, and how did they overcome those challenges. Then you will announce the winners of Hum Saath Saath Hain and you will ask the winners to share their feelings with the class. The next part of the lesson is English conversation practice time. And for this, you will inform students that you have a job conversation video where you would like everyone to watch the interview process, getting hired, meeting the boss, etc. And you will ask the students to watch the video and come back to discuss the questions asked in the interview, confidence during the interview, and what happened after hiring. The next part of the lesson is financial decisions and weddings, and the objectives of this lesson are that students will use debate and analyze information to think critically about the advantages and disadvantages of having an expensive wedding, and students will brainstorm ways to have a wedding that honors their traditions while avoiding debt. For the first step, you will share the objectives of the lesson with the class and you will call on one or two students to explain in their own words. Then you will explain that one of the biggest financial decisions we make in our lives is having a wedding. And then you will conduct a TPS activity. And the question for the TPS is that if you or someone in your family gets married, how do you make decisions about the wedding cost and what information should you consider? For the second step, you will explain that you will be having a 5-minute mini debate, and one side will argue that Indian families should spare no expenses and to put down a glamorous wedding celebration when their child is married, and the other side will argue that families should have a less extravagant wedding in order to avoid going into debt. And you will give all students 2 minutes to write down their opinion and a few points to support their answer. Then you will call on 2 volunteers with opposing opinions to debate their points in front of the class. You will give them each 2 or 3 minutes to present their points. Then you will thank them, then repeat the process with 2 more volunteers. You will encourage them to add to the previous debate with new arguments rather than repeating what was already said. And you will give the class a chance to respond. You will not determine a winner but ask students which side they personally agree after the debate. For the third step, you will divide the classroom into 4 groups and you will ask the students to open their SRB and assign each group one of the fact sections to discuss. And they should read it and discuss how it might affect their decisions about wedding finances. And after 10 minutes, you will call on each group to share their fact section and the main point for the discussion with the class. For the fourth step, you will ask the class how they can have a wedding that honors their tradition while keeping costs low and avoiding debt. You will write the answers on the board and add if needed. For the fifth step, you are going to conduct the wrap-up in the form of stand-up and sit-down activity. And for the sixth step, you will ask the students to log into a Duolingo account and you will let the students begin their Duolingo practice. Lastly, you are going to acknowledge the students for what they did well during the session and you will conduct the pledge. Thank you so much.